Okay. What am I supposed to say?
Buckos Math GED practice test
Yeah.
1.
Buckos Math GED practice test number 1. Question 42. We have no clue what page number it is because we haven't put them on pages, really. Don't know what page. So that will come later.
Yeah.
All right. And as ever, my awesome filmmaker guy, Damien, is right there behind the scenes doing a whole bunch of work. So give him a thumbs up or whatever. Go ahead and film the question. And let them, they got to have a break, okay?
If I were you, I'd pause it right about now so you can get the question ready.
This is about slope.
Slope can be even.
And y and x intercepts. Okay, ready? Is it running?
Yeah, it's still running.
All right, the first deal on this one is it's not in what's called the slope-intercept form. And I memorized this. I don't know if you have to do it, but it's kind of a good thing to have in your head. You got to do these. Slope-intercept form is pretty famous. Y equals mx plus b. M is a slope, and b is a y-intercept. So we got to convert it to this form. We got to take this and turn it into like that. And here's what we do for that. You look at it and say, how do I get y by itself over here? Means this got to go, this has got to go. This is going first because it's easiest. And you go minus 2x over here, minus 2x over here. And that gives you 3y equal to negative 2x plus 9. When you combine these two, this is negative 2x over here and that. 9 is positive, you call it positive, and this, you had to put the negative 2x over there, you don't have anything to subtract it from. Now you've got 3y equals negative 2x plus 9, but that's not good enough. We want slope-intercept form, which is y by itself. Look at that. So how do I get rid of the 3 on that side? I'll multiply by 3. Divide by 3. If I do that here, I got to do it over here. So these guys cancel the 1, and we get y by its lonesome, which is what we want. Right here.
It turned purple.
What's that?
It turned purple.
Uh,
Wait, before I stop it, maybe it'll go away? Maybe? Come on, please.
Purple.
Please go away, purple, so we can open it.
Please.
Please.
Those are the purple people eaters.
Literally. I don't think it's gonna go away. No. Wait. It went away. Glorious.
We have to deal with the purple people eaters too.
Wait.
So we can handle that.
Yeah. There we go. It's gone.
All
Now
right.
we can do this.
So this becomes negative 2/3. And 3 goes into 9 3 times. And that's a positive into a positive. It's going to be a positive 3. So there's our y equals mx plus b form, our slope-intercept form. And that's what we need. This tells you where that line is going to fit on the graph. It's going to intercept the y-axis at positive 3. This tells you, importantly, very importantly, I want you to get this, that the slope is negative, meaning it's not like that because that's a positive slope. It's not like that because that's a no slope. It's not straight up and down because that's a indefinite slope or infinite slope. It is like this, going this way. From left to right, it's going downhill. That's a negative slope. And you know you know that this line is gonna cross the y line, the y-intercept, at positive 3. Let's say there's 1, 2, 3. Positive 3. It's going to be the y. And 0 is going to be the x, because if you take down here, this is the x line. So our dot, one of our dots for our line is right there. And we know the slope is negative rise over run, 2, and then 3, and it's going to go this way. And that's what you're going to look for. You're going to look for a graph that matches that system. A lot of them can be eliminated right from the get-go because you know you're going to have a negative slope. So it's got to be going this way. Can't be going this way. So you eliminate all the positive ones. And then you look for your y-intercept where it cuts through the y line at 3. Bam, that's it.